It's very, very heartbreaking. When all of us found out about this incident that happened in Pelgam, we as citizens of India, we're supposed to be safe. But when, tourists from different parts of India were just, brutally killed, it was just really, really, really heartbreaking to see that. And, it is. um, as a citizen of this country, I really, really, really beg, plead, demand, and request the government, to ensure that such kind of incidents don't happen again. Why was that? There was no security over there. 27 people have lost their lives, and these 3 people are from Karnataka. In fact, one person is my own age. He studied in BIT college over here. My cousin's classmate, Bharat Bhushan. And it is, 3-year-old son. And these are all innocent people. And I mean, this is a national security issue. And why are such kind of terrorist incidents happening in our country? This is not at LOC. This is in the middle of, the country, like 100 kilometers inside. Why was there no security?